Hey guys, so today I want to show you how to make a game using ChatGPT apps. So when most people think about ChatGPT apps, they think about productivity tools, things like writing, planning, or getting work done faster. But there's a huge opportunity that people are missing. ChatGPT app can be used to build social interactive games, games where AI not just responding to you, but also playing with you. So today I'm going to build a trivia game. Traditional trivia games all have the same problem. They come with a fixed set of questions. So when you play enough time, you will start memorizing the answer and the game stop being fun. But what if ChatGPT generate the questions? Every game could be different, every topic could be different, and the game would stay fun no matter how much time you play. So here I have Fractal open, and instead of writing code, I'm just going to describe what the app that I want. So the prompt I'm going to do is create a trivia game for me, and here's what I want the game to be. So the game should respond to ChatGPT prompts like start a trivia game or start a trivia, in a topic game. And ChatGPT should create like 10 questions for me. And the question must be different every time. I also want something to track the score. I think I want to have a timer as well. So if it's like over 30 seconds, it means the answer is wrong. Okay, I think that is good enough for the game. I can always, change the games when I start building. I feel like that's good enough. So I'm going to start building it. Okay. So now Fractal is going to start planning the agent for me. And it's going to ask me a few questions. Okay, user specify the topic. I want multiple choice. All right, I think that and it's going to propose a plan on how to build the app. All right, so it has a plan here. ChatGPT is going to generate the questions, which is correct. I can see exactly how it planned to implement my apps, and it looks good. So I think I'm going to ask it to build it. So while this is building, I want to point out something very interesting. So there is a arbitrage opportunity here. There's a lot of best-selling games out there, trivia game, word games, party games. People already know how to play them and people already love them. There's an opportunity here for you to turn those same game into ChatGPT apps, and AI can make them feel new again. The content would never run out because the content is generated by AI, and every session is different, so the game stays fun so much longer than the static version would ever have. And then there's distribution as well. So ChatGPT already has over 900 million users. So instead of fighting for downloads, install, or App Store ranking, your game can live right inside of ChatGPT apps. You're building directly on top of where people already spend their time. So this is why I think ChatGPT app games are going to be such a big opportunity. So it would take about 15 minutes for Fractal to build my game. So I think I'm just gonna pause a little bit and I will come back when Fractal finish my game. Okay, so it has not been building, but I can see what the app looks like now. It's doing a bunch of tests at the end after it's finished building, but I can see what the app looks like. Okay, the app is done building. I can see what it looks like on desktop, on mobile. I can check like how it implemented in the code as well. So it's super easy for me if there's something I don't like to see how it implemented and reprompt it correctly. And now that it's done building, I want to deploy it. So I just click on this deploy button. It's going to deploy it and then give me a link so that I can add to ChatGPT. And deploying would take about a minute or so. So I come back when it finished deploying. Yay! So it has finished deploying. There's a deploy URL here. So I'm going to copy that. And then I'm going to go to ChatGPT. I'm going to add that link to my ChatGPT. I tested a lot of trivia games, so. So when I say play trivia, it should summon the game. And here I can see exactly the tool use that is using, like the tool description and what the tool input is. And I can play with the game. Oh, that's wrong. Next question. No, that was wrong. Sorry, I'm just clicking randomly to get to the end. Wow, that was randomly correct. Lemon? Oh, good job. Oh my god, this is so fun. 8, 7. Well, I'm pretty bad at this trivia game, but you see what I mean. Like every single time I play, the questions are new. I can search the topic instantly. The game never gets stale, and this is what makes ChatGPT apps so powerful. You're not just building tools; you're building an experience, and you can be as creative as you want because the technical part isn't a barrier anymore. Anyone can build a game. All you need is an idea. So you want to start building a ChatGPT app? Try Fractal and let me know what you think. Thank you. Bye.